So one of the challenges many Zambians face online is getting their AdSense approved either for their website or for their YouTube channels. So this is where this service comes in, where I myself is going to help you to get your AdSense approved and verified, where I don't have to worry about anything. So for this, I'm going to be charging a 200. So you might be wondering, why am I charging money for this instead of teaching for free? Well, I have everything you need to know about getting AdSense verified or approved on both of my channels. But there are those people whereby no matter how much content you have, they'll still have questions. They will still be able not to follow along. They will still not be able to uh, do everything on their own. So if you are that person whereby you don't have time to do all these things, but you've got money, you can actually pay me and I'll be able to work or walk through you in everything, in getting your AdSense account verified and approved. So I have all the videos and all the posts you need to know about how to get your AdSense approved. So if you don't have money for that, you can simply watch all my videos and learn how you can do everything on your own. But YouTube and AdSense, they're very strict when it comes to content and so on. So if you're not if you're scared about making mistakes and so on, so you can actually hire me and or work with me and I'll be able to help you so that you don't get to make a mistake like other people have made. So a lot of people have made mistakes which has led them to losing their channels, has led them to not being able to make money, and they have wasted their time. So this is the reason why I'm there. So when you pay this 200 quote, it's not something which I'll do instantly. So getting AdSense approved and verified is not something which can be done in a day. It's something which can be done in weeks, even months. So I'll be able to help you with everything you need to know, everything you need to do, and everything else you would like to know. So bye for now. Simply click the link in the description or contact me and I'll help you from there.